Hello, welcome to the fourth video on Python for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to define and manipulate lists. First, let's see how we can define lists. I'm going to type a variable here. I'm going to call it numbers. I'm going to put an equal sign, and to set list, we need to type a square bracket. So I'll type a square bracket and I'll input my numbers. So I'll type 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I can close the square brackets and press enter. Now if I type numbers, press enter, it will print out my list. Let's see how we can index this list. For that, I can just type numbers, square brackets, and the ID of the number I want to get. So if I wanted to get the third number, which is 3, I can just type 2 because the list starts the indexing from 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I wanted to get the number 3, I just need to type number 2. And also close it and then press enter, and as you can see it turned 3. Now what if I wanted to get all the numbers from 1 to 3? In that case I would have to type numbers, square brackets, 0 and a colon. Then I can type how many numbers I want. So I'll type 3. You'll notice that in the previous one I typed 2 to get the number 3. But here I'm typing 0 to 3 to get these 3 numbers. This is because the first number is 0 is always included, but the last number is always excluded. So what it's actually doing is it's actually taking the numbers 1 to 4, but since it's excluding the last number, it's only returning up until 3. Now if I press enter, you can see that it printed up to 3. I'm going to type another list. So I'm going to give the same name, numbers. I'm going to set it to the values 1 to 10. So I'll type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here I'm going to make an intentional mistake. Instead of typing 6, I'm going to type 7. Continue with 7, then 8, then 9, and then finally 10. I'll set this. Now if I type numbers, it should return double sevens. I need to change this 7 to 6. How do I do that? For that, I can just type numbers, again, square bracket, and this, the sixth number, should have the index 5. So I can type 5 and close it, and then put a space bar, then put equal to, and I can type 6. Now, if I press enter, it will set this 7 to 6. If I print that again, you can see that it changed this 7 to this 6. Next, let's see how we can append values to the end of this list. For that, there is a simple function called append. Let's see how we can use that. We can type numbers dot append. Put bracket and the number I want to append. I'll append 11. So I'll close it and press enter. Now if I print numbers again, you can see that it added 11 to the end of our list. We can also use the len function to find out how many numbers or characters or words are there in our list. So we can type len, and in the brackets we can just type numbers, close it, press enter. As you can see, it printed how many numbers are there in this list. That's all for this video. Thank you.